Hi, I've had several people ask me for my technique on folding plastic shopping bags, so I thought I'd make this video just to explain it. Here's what they look like when they're finished.
We're going to take this and make it look like this. Start out by straightening the handles where they get bunched up at the top, and then flattening the entire bag out to make it as flat and wrinkle-free as possible. Try and get all the air out of it. Then fold it in half lengthwise, and again lengthwise, and then one more time lengthwise. This will be the final width of the roll. Then fold about a third of it in, get all the air out that you can, and then start folding that part in half, and then in half again, and then keep going until you can't fold it anymore. Once you can't fold it anymore, then roll it up and leave about 2 inches of handles sticking out. Give the handles a little twist to keep them together, and then separate the handles and give each one an individual twist as well. Wrap them around in different directions and tie a simple knot in it, and there you go.